Okay guys, in this video I want to show you an easy way to open your Goron Tula. Just the way I open it in my house when I want to eat it, or I want to eat it with my husband, and we just got fresh ones, and I said let me come and quickly tell you guys, because a number of you have reached out to me asking that how do you open this Goron Tula. I get some and they are really tough to open, like this one that you can see. It's really I'm unable to open it with my fingernails and all that. So that's what this video about, because the reason why this video is very important to me is that I don't want you to be discouraged on your journey to a healthier life, a more fertile body. And just not being able to open your Goron Tula can be a form of discouragement from eating it. And you know what? This discouragement is not welcome at all. With what Goron Tula does to the body of a woman or a man who's trying to conceive, or maybe you're just working on your menstrual health or menopausal symptoms, men, you don't want to allow anything to discourage you from eating Goron Tula. I'm sure you must have read many of our articles on our website www.sohealthyng.com, or the videos we've made on YouTube earlier on. Goron Tula is very loaded. It has antioxidants. It's helpful for cervical mucus, lubrication, making sex enjoyable, menstrual cramps. Oh my God, it just helps you. So you don't want to allow anything that will discourage you from eating it. So it's very simple. The only thing you need for this is a knife, a very safe knife, preferably a table knife just like this, or a blunt knife, so that it's the edges are not sharp enough to be able to give you a cut on your fingers, right? Because for many Goron Tulas that are usually tough to open, now this toughness, the fact that Goron Tula is tough to open, is a signal. Remember that nature always finds a way to tell us things. Imagine one of the benefits of Goron Tula being tightening of the vaginal area. See how tight this one is, and some of them are really tight. Meanwhile, this Goron Tula is very fresh. When I open it, you'll see it. It's very fresh. However, it is well tight, right? So these are some of the things that you see in these fruits that will make you know that this is a wonder fruit. Can you see how fresh this one is? Can you see? Very fresh. Very fresh, and the nutrients in it are very concentrated. That's why we take our time to source. We don't just get from anywhere, so that the nutrients can be very concentrated. And this is so, in fact, it's sugary in taste, right? But it is fresh, and at the same time it is tough. So it's very simple. You see how I opened it? So you opened it into two like this, and then you go on to open it again. Then you can use the knife to remove the seeds as well, right? Remove it, and then you're good. From here, the only thing you need to do is to rinse it. You just rinse it with ordinary water or lukewarm water, just to make it clean for consumption. All right, don't leave it in the water. If you leave it in the water, except after rinsing you want to leave it to soften, then you can also drink the water. But if you have not rinsed it and you leave it in the water, you just want to waste the nutrient. There's a lot of nutrient packed in this. A lot of university researches have been done, and Goron Tula can really help improve your chances of conception, improve your egg quality, especially if you're above 35. See, your fertility in your 20s, in your 30s is not the same with once you cross 35. Even your menstrual cycle is not the same. Myself, I see a lot of differences. The moment I cross 35, are you for real? I can't even imagine some symptoms. If not for all these natural things, I can't go 3 days without having Goron Tula in what I'm eating. I must chew it. It's compulsory. So it's very helpful. Don't let anything to discourage you. If you ever have any confusions, questions, feel free to reach out to me on any of the channels, and also drop your comments so we can interact and get to know what challenges or whatever information you may want me to pass across to you concerning Goron Tula or any other natural superfood that helps your fertility journey. Thank you so much for watching. I believe that these videos are really insightful. Please support our channel by subscribing and also turn on the notification bell so that once we upload a video, you'll be among the first to see it. And who knows, there might just be a gift for you, right? Yes, we are that generous. So please subscribe, turn on your notification button, and also share the video. You can just cut a clip and put on your status on WhatsApp, and just keep spreading. You never can tell who the information can help. Thank you so much. Baby blessings to you and more wellness and happiness. Ciao, ciao. Bye.